Think making money with AI is only for tech geniuses? Think again. While AI is powerful, it's becoming increasingly accessible to everyone. In this video, we'll break down some simple yet effective ways you can use AI to generate income, even if you're a complete beginner. Want to earn extra cash or even build a business using the power of AI? This video is your practical guide to making money with artificial intelligence. We'll cover real-world strategies and actionable tips you can start using today. Printify is your gateway to the world of print-on-demand e-commerce. Imagine effortlessly selling custom-designed products without ever touching inventory or worrying about shipping. That's the power of Printify. This platform seamlessly connects you with a global network of print providers, offering a vast catalog of products from apparel and home decor to accessories and more. You simply upload your designs, choose your products and a printing partner, and integrate Printify with your online store. When a customer makes a purchase, Printify springs into action, automatically routing the order to the printer, who then prints and ships directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in printing equipment or holding stock, making it a low-risk, high-reward opportunity for entrepreneurs, designers, and anyone with a creative spark. Printify handles the logistics, allowing you to focus on what matters most: design, marketing, and growing your brand. It's a streamlined, automated system that empowers you to bring your creative visions to life and turn them into a profitable online business. Printify's product catalog is a treasure trove for creative entrepreneurs. From apparel like leggings and swimwear to home decor like canvas prints and blankets, the possibilities are vast. Personalize everyday items like phone cases, tote bags, and even shoes. Outfit your kitchen with custom cutting boards and tumblers, or your bathroom with personalized towels. Don't forget your furry friends. Printify offers pet beds and apparel. Make the holidays extra special with custom ornaments and stockings. Beyond that, find stationery, business cards, and even custom packaging. The catalog is constantly growing, offering an ever-expanding range of products. Explore and unleash your creativity to find the perfect canvas for your designs. Remember to check individual print provider offerings for specific product availability. The AI video revolution is upon us, offering a fascinating array of tools to bring your visions to life. Imagine crafting entire video scenes from simple text prompts with Sora, or exploring the creative possibilities of Runway's suite of AI-powered editing features. Veed.io simplifies the process of creating complete videos, while Pictory AI excels at turning long-form content into bite-sized, shareable clips. InVideo AI empowers you to create videos using text, integrating stock footage, and AI-driven editing. For enhancing existing videos, Descript offers intuitive transcription-based editing, and Filmora integrates AI for smarter, more efficient workflows. Even Canva has jumped into the game, offering AI tools within its familiar design interface. Whether you need AI avatars, short-form content creation, or advanced editing features, there's a platform out there to help you unlock the power of AI video. The key is to explore, experiment, and find the perfect tool to fuel your creativity. Want to get your articles in front of a wider audience? Don't underestimate the power of TikTok. This isn't just a platform for dance crazes. It's a vibrant hub for discovering new ideas and content. Think of TikTok as a dynamic visual gateway to your written work. Instead of just sharing links, create short, engaging videos that tease the key takeaways or spark curiosity about your articles. A compelling hook, a quick summary, or even a behind-the-scenes glimpse into your writing process can capture attention and drive traffic back to your blog or publication. Use trending sounds, relevant hashtags, and eye-catching visuals to make your videos stand out in the algorithm. TikTok's short-form video format is perfect for grabbing attention quickly, and its massive reach can expose your articles to a whole new readership. So, if you're looking to expand your reach and connect with a younger demographic, consider adding TikTok to your promotional toolkit. It's a creative and effective way to turn viewers into readers.